I'm Violetta and Russian for Foreigners today. You have to watch this video. Do you know why? Because you should know how to say it in Russian. Let's start from the first phrase when you want something. First phrase will be "Я хочу." I want you to come here because I want to teach you Russian. So "Я хочу." I want it, really. Believe me. Я хочу. I want. I can say it about everything. Я хочу пойти в кино. I want to go to the cinema. Я хочу этот салат. I want this salad. I want to speak with you. Я хочу поговорить с тобой. So, because I need it. Потому что мне нужно. Мне нужно. Мне нужно. Means I need it. Мне нужно. Мне нужно поехать с тобой. I need to go with you. So, but when we are talking about something what you should do, for example, you should go at home and watch my video. Okay, so much talking about my videos, but you really need it. Следует посмотреть видео. You should watch this video. Следует посмотреть. Because you want to speak Russian. Maybe you really should watch it. Do you understand? Next one. I have to. Я должен. Я должен пойти с тобой. I have to go with you. Because without me, you can't do it. You can't go to the meeting because I have some information, but you don't have. So you have to. Ты должен. Or я должен. Ты means you, or I am. Я. Я должен. Должен. But we have the same phrase я обязан, but it's a bit different. I have to, я должен, but обязан, it's something about obligation. It means if you are talking about your job, я обязан подписать это. I obligate to sign this contract. So it's a bit the same, but we have a different meaning, for sure. Think about it. Be alert. But sometimes you can ask your friend, why did you do this? Why? I didn't ask about this. I didn't tell you to do it. Why did you do it? And the Russian friend can answer, I was told to do it. Мне сказали это сделать. Мне. Sometimes I think I forgot how to write in Russian. Мне сказали. Мне сказали это сделать. So, мне сказали. I told to do this. So, you should understand what is the difference between these words. So, I want, я хочу. I need, мне нужно. I should, следует, мне следует. I have to, я должен. I obligate, я обязан. And I was told, мне сказали. So, but when someone answer you, мне сказали, that's why I did that. So you can say, do you have your opinion? Why did you do it without thinking? You should think and you have to have your opinion. So, for example, me, I don't like to say that word «мне сказали». Okay, when you go to the shop and someone tell you, listen, you should wear the mask. Without mask, it's impossible to pay for your product. I can answer why, and she can say «мне сказали». So my administrator or manager told me «мне сказали» you have to wear the mask. It's a rule. So after this lesson, you should decide what is the better for you. What is the better to answer? But of course it will depend on your situation. I will be waiting you at the next lesson, but this one will be useful, I guess.